It's now faster than ever to recolor the same item in multiple colors using the Edit module's color tool in Raspberry AI. I'll start by generating a t-shirt in Sketch to Render and opening it in the Edit module. First, I'll remove the background for a clean, isolated view of the product. Then I'll use Select All Garment to highlight the entire item. Next, I'll go to the Color tool. Under Swatches, I'll click the Upload Swatches arrow button to upload an ASE color palette I created in Adobe Photoshop. The colors will instantly appear in the swatch library, ready to use. You can also add colors manually using the color picker. To choose your colors, click and drag to select adjacent swatches, or use Shift plus click to select specific ones. Once your colors are selected, just click Batch Recolor. Raspberry will automatically generate new images of your product in each selected color. You can download individual versions using the download arrow, or delete any version with the trash icon. To download multiple files at once, use Multi-Select. Select specific colors or choose Select All to download all colors as a zip folder. And that's it. With the Edit module's Batch Recolor feature, it's easy to generate multiple colorways of a product in just minutes, perfect for presenting options to your team or clients.